Yes, if you put your sweatshirt over here. Belt bag.
They're not gonna be like.
Or like I've just.
Me when I was He is so helpful.
Trees to see you.
But without the soil that rush down from the surrounding mountains to water nutrients and sediment. The early settlers realized that the flat delta duration while transporting wasn't even invented yet. These less fragile of the expedition, Murders Bay was later renamed Tillamook Bay to honor the Tillamook First Nations tribe. Sailed roughly 18,020 miles. For 50 housekeepers were busy maintaining the lands and constantly house clean of salty sea spray. Deactivated in 1963. 100 feet down to the light itself from the lower parking area. Worthwhile stop to make. As a footnote, they were found the next month, and even they were ordered to pay $100,000 each and serve sentences on the anniversary.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Oh, it's a pull-up.
Here we go. It's gonna be on your side now.
Oh my gosh.
No, Oregon.
Oh, they got the guardrail right here.
A hideous mushroom.
Elephant seals here.
Oh my gosh.
There's elephant seals here. There's elephant seals here.
Oh God!
If we see an elephant seal, I'm going home. I can't even stand it.
Whoa! Look at that! Look at that rock out there!
Whoa.
Wow! Wow! That's truly on. You not climb on trees. They say that because it looks so. I was gonna say. Like wow.
What is this stuff?
Holy mother of
This.
holy. I have pictures from like all of our trips of you making that face. Look at that house on like both of those houses. Imagine
That house up there, off the hill is crazy.
right.
Get away from my house.
You're so tiny. I was.
The white one? Wow.
Huh? Yeah, yeah. Okay, we own it. Okay, rewrite we own, basically.
Beer, wine, cheese, water, rocks. But we've missed something important. We've kind of flopped. Set the bar to.
That's so cool. No, you're okay.
Love it.
Love that one. You got the unders and you got the overs. Ooh, those are these are very interesting.
They're joking.
Look at how red it is. Oh, that mushroom in there. It's so red, my phone is.
Whoa! Him every couple of days.
Well, I'm gonna take a picture with my hand next to it.
That one's pretty grody looking. You're not in the car anymore.
Wow. There are snails.
Can you throw pictures into that app later?
Yes.
Oh, perfect.
I'm trying to do that because I don't have internet.
Yeah, there's no service out here.
Oh, don't come near me, sir. You kill the bug. It's too tantalizing. That is so strange with you. It's so alien. Oh, look at that. There's like that black fungus in there. When I zoomed in, it's almost like weird.
It's insane.
That is like, because it's stuff probably shit. I wouldn't say that. There's one.
Yeah, garter snake.
Whoa. It's like a whole world in there.
You can see it like changes directions all the way down. It's so cool. That was lightning.
What was it?
Your camera.
Mine?
Yeah.
I don't have a flash on.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so
It
cool.
feels so good.
Look at that. The closest. If we're happy continue southbound here, well.
We saw elk.
Oh, it's recording.
It's like a mom or a baby. Look at that zoom.
Oh my gosh. Send those to me. That's so cute.
Good eye there, Chloe.
What? Is that a bald eagle? That's a bald eagle. Oh my god.
Where?
Bald eagle!
Where?
It just,
There it is.
there it is. Look.
That's a frigate. That's the same bird we just saw.
That's not the bald eagle. Oh, we're getting everything now. Holy cow. Oh my god. This is the best day I've ever been in my life.
I found it, Mel. Mel.
I'm trying to see. Whoa. Are you taking a video?
Wind off the water.
Look at that.
He's on a nest. He's on a nest, Mel.
I thought. Well, do y'all need to go use that? Oh, it's a video. Hold on. Is it a cormorant? Where'd he go? Oh. Oh, that's not him. There he is. Yeah. Oh. You can see a bunch in the water over there too.
I'm looking at them right now.
Oh my gosh, like right in front of us. Look at all these ones right in front of us in the water. Or are those seaweeds? I can't even tell. I feel like they keep putting their head in there. That might be seaweed. I think that's seaweed. Oh my gosh! Cam, look at my camera. There, on this last rock, there's a big rock in the middle with a bunch of little hair. Oh, hell yeah. And he was just like, do you see this rock? Which rock? So there's these rocks here, there's one that goes up, and then that one that's right next to it. Oh, he just took a little shade. You see that big brown? Oh, it's just a seal. Look at
It's just a seal.
How cute is that? Ooh, shot little butt. There's some swimming about right over here. I've never met before. And they just drew a bunch of food. Just kind of lit. This was one of my favorite.
It's a Venus flytrap.
Ooh. No, this was not the bartender. Wait, I think this was. There was this one guy that kept looking at me across the bar. You draw in mine. I was like, no, thank you. Somebody drew my lion frick.
Big guy to scale.
Do you know
Oh,
my
your lion bag.
Yeah.
That's so cute.
I drew a. If Dan were to own a click, it would be this one with the guitar on it.
Yes. An eyeball. Who did that?
Probably me, honestly.
Yeah.
It's like that squiggly. I like to do that sometimes. I don't know who did this.
I enjoy it.
Yeah, it's
Abstract.
nice. Yeah.
Many flowers in one. AW.
Oh my gosh, this is such a canoe. Look at this.
I don't know. This was Julie.
Show me yours again. Wait.
Very light.
Very light and airy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then this one was Gia's. She also, my phone and my click were on the table, and she drew that too.
Oh wow.
It was Dan's.
Oh, what was covered?
This is just the other stuff he was drawing, but that's just the cup. I made him write Dan at the top. I believe was Axel's. There's a lot of these. This is also Axel.
Wait, oh wow. Was
I'll show you a picture.
okay.
Oh, that was good!
Whoa, Mel! Be damned.
That was good.
That was beautiful. That was a crescendo. Sanzo. Oh wow. Try to get your.
Where they hold hands?
Skeptic.
No way, Ham. You need to see this video. They just did the thing, like a little bit.
Did they touch hands?
Oh! That would have been a great picture.
There he is. He's so cool.